Hello guys, welcome to Automate Sphere. In this video series we are going to learn more about the Blue Prism Capture Tool. In this particular video I will be walking you through the settings that are available in the tool. To do so, once the capture tool has been opened, you need to click on the settings option. Here the scope of this video is I will be walking you through the number of settings that are available under each of these tabs and how this setting affects our project in the capture tool. Starting with the general tab, we are having the DX integration. So once selected, it helps to find and download the appropriate VBOs that we can later import it into the studio. The solution designer is something that once checked we can enable to create zones in our project. Now what are zones? I will be covering up this in the upcoming videos in the series. Going to the PDD template, here you can see this is the preview that the tool is showing us, that once we will be exporting our PDD Word document, this is how it is going to look. The customization that they have allowed us here is to upload a logo. So if you can see the logo that is already present in this preview, that is SS&C Blue Prism. Once we upload a file, our logo will replace this particular screen. So once a logo is uploaded, we can have our PDD customized to our company's branding. Going ahead, we can also customize the colors, the primary as well as the secondary color and the text color. In the processes, we have three options. So this is about the view that we can display the process map in the exported PDD. Full is something where it shows the entire process map or the process diagram is embedded in the Word document of the PDD while exporting. When selected or focused, it displays only the current step and the surrounding steps to it in the PDD, and if clicked on disable, then it won't display the bird's eye view in the PDD. Going to the business objects, the first option, that is show business objects, if we select it, then it is going to display the business object fields and create object checkbox in the step action panel. Now what is this step action panel and where do we use it? Again, I am going to cover up this in the upcoming videos in the series. The second option, that is enable Blue Prism application modeler spine. Now this is something when we are interfacing with the applications using the capture tool, the attributes of those applications are gathered for Win32 and UIA spying mode for every step that we do. And once we export from the capture tool as a BP release, the BP release can be imported into the Blue Prism Studio as an object, and there is where we can use these attributes directly. The auto generate business field object, this is something which automatically populates the create object field for each step. The clear all object and action names, like we saw earlier, it removes all the information from the create object field. The uncheck all create object checkboxes. It deselects any selections that have been done in the checkbox of create object, and the advanced options are automatically add launch actions. So whatever applications we are going to open and try to interact with using this tool, this capture tool will automatically add an action in the object. The action will be to launch it, and then we are having the cleanup BP release. So this option is used when we are trying to search something in the Windows search bar. So while searching something, if I try to click and try to search a particular application, what could happen is the Blue Prism's capture might record the clicks and type into that we might have done. So to discard it, we use the cleanup Blue Prism file on export. And the final tab, export, is split branches into individual pages on export. So once selected, what will happen in the PDD, in the initial page we will be having all the branches in the process map, and the subsequent pages will have one branch each page. That is going to be the layout of our PDD. And if selected collapse groups on export, then the groups will be available in a collapsible format in the PDD. Again, what are groups will be covered later. And the Blue Prism release, the custom process template helps us to create a template from the Blue Prism Studio and then import it in the capture tool. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.